Now this is a flip phone from HMD, the same company manufacture Nokia devices. This time around they came up with Barbie phone, which is what you guys see over here. This phone is going to be a very basic device. Use KOAS in case if you want to stay away from smartphone, you want something basic, maybe for your kids if you have little girl, or if you want to surprise your girlfriend with a pinky device, as you guys can see. Maybe this phone will be for you. In this video I will be doing unboxing, first look on this device, so make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, give me a thumbs up, and without any further ado, let's find out. Now, just before the unboxing, I was able to get my unit from Tracfone.com. It cost me $99 plus tax, so I ended up paying $107. But the good things about this deal, this phone comes with 1 year of service on Tracfone, 1500 minutes, 1500 text, 1500 megabytes valid for 1 year, which is great in my opinion, because this plan, if you just want to buy it itself, costs you $125. As you guys can see, we have the SIM card also included in the box. And also let me give you a quicker look on the main specification. Even the box doesn't say much over here, but the size of the screen 2.8 inches for the internal screen, and the external is going to be 1.7, 5 megapixel camera, and I believe it's 8 gigabyte of internal storage with 32 if you want to add SD card. And also the back of the box is going to show you some of the items that comes with this package. And by the way, the box itself, it's so heavy. Since I do a lot of unboxing phones these days, doesn't come with no accessory or whatsoever. Even with the high price tag, we still see chunky box comes with so much things. I believe the unboxing is going to be a lot of fun. And now let's do the unboxing. From here it should be some scotch tape over here. We crack this open and we should be able to open the box from here. I highly recommend to keep the box in good shape, because this is, I believe, limited edition device as well. For the people who want to buy the phone unlocked, available in Amazon, and it's gonna cost you $129. I will leave the link in the description if you are interested. So let's go ahead and open. So we have a sleeve over here. Let's just take the box out. First of all, you're gonna see the HMD logo with Barbie logo with heart over here. The pink color is so beautiful. I'm sure women, they're gonna be very excited about this color. And now let me open the box. It should open from here, and it has magnetic, as you guys can see. What a beautiful experience. And once we open, we're gonna see this. Seems like we have a cover, phone case, the phone itself, and some holder if you want to hook it to the phone, so you will have also some accessory. It's gonna look so nice for ladies, of course. Let's go ahead and take this paper and have a look. And there we go. So this is the phone, and it has a mirror over here. So that would be so nice for women, so you don't need to carry a mirror with you because your phone has it right now. Also, we have a phone case, also has the branding of HMD and Barbie. And I believe this is a very nice looking case, but it's just plastic. Now we have another phone case. If you don't like this one, you can also swap to another one, which is nice in my opinion. Also, we have the phone. It also has a place to hang this thing over here. Let me show you this. There you go. Also, it has the logo of HMD. So everything seems like very quality stuff over here. And there we go, back to the phone itself. The back of the phone has the branding, Barbie HMD. And I believe you should be able to open this from here, because you have to insert the battery. There you go. That's another lock. So we're gonna insert the battery and turn the phone on. The phone takes SD card and macro SIM card, which is as expected from any flip phone device. And I believe if you don't want to keep the box as is, you can use it for your makeup. So we have a divider here, and the material are so nice. This has cloth over here, so clothy feeling, so smooth, so nice. I'm so impressed with this unboxing so far. We're gonna have the battery. There we go, this is the battery, and I have to actually open it because we have to insert the battery on the phone so that way we can turn the phone on. Here we go, this is the battery HMD logo, so we're gonna put this on the phone later on. And also it comes with the charger, and that should be USB-C. Also that's supposed to be 5 watts. There you go, I believe it looks so nice and pinky. We can put this back here. We have more accessories, I believe. Lady tells me what do you use these for. I have no idea. Also we have a cleaning cloth over here. So if you want to clean your phone, especially the mirror over here, it's going to collect a lot of sponge from your finger, I believe. So it's a good idea to have a cleaning cloth, which is very nice addition. Also, it has the logo of Barbie. So everything's so quality over here from what I see. Also, we have some glitters over here. So I don't know why you need these for, but I believe you can stick them either to the back of the phone or maybe on the phone case or maybe somewhere else. We have stickers over here. Here we go. So this is what we have. Also, I believe you can stick this to anything you want and your device as well. And we have the manual and the instruction guide over here. And I believe that should do it for the unboxing. Let me also show you how you insert the battery if you don't have that much experience. So you grab the battery and you have to look to the connectors over here and match it with the phone battery connector, which has to go just like this. You make sure the HMD logo has to be face up, and then you push a little bit and it's gonna be nice smooth like this. If you want to take the battery, you just have to pull it just like this, and then you have to grab the back of the phone and snap the back and make sure it's all the way in. And I believe that should do it. So we're gonna go ahead and turn the phone on. As you guys can see, it's gray from here and pink, and I believe this will make some contrast with the color, even that I personally prefer to be the whole thing pink since this is a pink phone, but it is what it is. You guys let me know in the comment below if you like it or not. We're gonna turn the phone on, do the initial setup, and then I'm gonna give you overlook to the device and the operating system. Now also let me show you how you set up the phone. The first time you turn the phone on, press hold the power key and make sure your phone has juice. If it doesn't, make sure to recharge the battery. And also you have to pay attention that the SIM card is not pre-installed, so you make sure if you buy this from Tracfone to insert the SIM card before you turn on the device, so that way if you have an active service or if you are trying to activate the phone on the carrier, the SIM card has to be pre-installed. Most of the Tracfone phones that you buy, the SIM card is pre-installed except this device. So you have to choose the languages is English, and we're gonna hit next, and then we can skip Wi-Fi. It's up to you. I'm not gonna connect to Wi-Fi, and then you just have to allow location or not allow location. That would be totally up to you. And then I'm just gonna allow, and then you have to choose that you are over 18, or if you're not over 18, you have to choose the option. So go ahead and click next and accept, and this is going to be the select button over here, and this also has to be back button, and this will be the power key if you want to switch off the device. Also if you want to hang up if you receive a phone call, and this also is going to be the answer key. That because we have pink and white, normally these you see in red, and the answer button green. Now this phone has a shortcut with the B letter, which is Barbie. This will be a shortcut. You can sign yourself. If you want it to be the camera, then you click over here and then go and sign what you want from the phone to do. When you push this button, you can choose the camera, the messages, email, etc. Now the phone tells us no SIM card available. That because I did not added the SIM card. The phone is very basic. If you click the button here, which is the middle button, Also, I like the theme of the device itself. As you guys can see, it shows the Barbie colors, the pinky stuff. But you will have call logs, and you have a D-pad here. You can go up, down, contact, and then we have a snake, so you can play the old-fashioned game from Nokia, which is a snake. Let's go ahead and try to see if we can play this game. There you go. That seems like a new version. That's not the one I'm familiar with. So we can press OK to play. There you go. So you can go anywhere you want. So I believe the game is different than the old game. You have to eat actually watermelon. Let's go ahead and exit, and also I'm going to show you what else you have. You have videos, so if you record video, you can go over here, and I believe you can check your recorded video. You have also a gallery. If you take pictures, you can go back to the gallery, and you guys not going to expect any good quality. You have only 5 megapixel. It will be just okay, but for who wants flip phone, looking for basic experience, we have also a camera, so you can go ahead and capture pictures if you want, and we have some other option like messages. You can also browse internet. It has a browser over here, a clock, as basic calculators, and some other video games, calendar, voice recorder, music player, because this support MP3 format if you want to play some music. That was just very quick video. Want to show you the Barbie phone from HMD. Our main focus in this video was on the unboxing, which is a great experience. So if you're looking for something limited edition, I believe, something nice, you like Barbie, you like the color, the theme, I believe this will be a great fit for you. For the lady, they like the pink stuff, such as this device. And I believe that was very much it. I wish you guys find it helpful. If it did, you can always subscribe to the channel and encourage me. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much everyone for watching. As always, we'll talk to you in another video.